Okay, so what we're doing here again is we're playing a 6 chord in both hands, but the higher frequencies, again, you can play them all together. The lower frequencies you have to arpeggiate. And again, it's a C6 chord. So we start with our C major triad, which has 3 steps in between the first 2, 2 steps between the second 2, and we add the 6, which has 1 step in between. So 3, 2, 1. It's a C6 again because here's our C major scale: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we take the triad, which is 1, 3, and 5, and we add the 6th note in the scale. So this is called a C major 6, or C6 for short. And the first thing I want you to do is just play the chord with the correct fingering, which means first finger, second finger, fourth finger, fifth finger. So you flip off the camera over here and practice playing it without going too far away from the keyboard and with getting all the notes up before you press them down. Especially pay attention to your pinky, because that's the one that tends to want to just sit there. And if you don't get it up, it won't sound again. So you want to take your time and get all these notes to happen. After you've done that, go bottom to top. 1 note at a time, go slow. It's not a raise. Do that for a little bit, and then go top to bottom. Again, 1 note at a time. Let the note come all the way up, especially between your pinky and your ring finger. And then if you're feeling crazy, you can do 1, 4, 2, 5. You can do any pattern you can think of. Just try to be, and then backwards. 5, 2, 4, 1, 5, 2. And this is just to sort of clean out the passageway from your brain to your fingers and really get that happening. Then you want to do the same thing with your left hand. I would, the bass you play down here, but I would bring it up so it's not just mud. So in the bass hand, you're going to skip your fourth finger. Your fourth finger is not going to play. So you have 1, 2, 3, 5. Same notes, same chord, because they agree. They're always going to agree. And you do the same thing. So you play all of them together, get used to that, and then bottom to top, top to bottom. And with you, remember, keep your thumb there. You tend to want to get your thumb as far away from the keyboard as possible, which makes it hard. So we're trying to make it easy. So once you've done that with both hands, just to kind of get them going, then you want to practice back and forth. So this is our riff. And hopefully it'll clean up, or it will clean up over time. And once you can do that, then move to F, and then G. So you play your form, and when you get to the turnaround, for now, don't play any chords. We're going to go back to just